Best diesel motor oils. Are you looking for the best diesel motor oils? In this video we will look at some of the best diesel motor oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Chevron Delo 400 XLE 15W40 Oil. Delo 400 XLE Heavy-Duty Synblend Diesel Engine Oil 15W40 is a premium, advanced quality engine oil designed specifically for heavy-duty diesel engines. This 15W40 viscosity oil is formulated with a blend of synthetic and conventional base oils, providing a balanced combination of performance, protection, and durability. The Synblend technology offers enhanced wear protection and superior oxidation resistance compared to conventional oils, helping to extend engine life and maintain optimal performance under demanding conditions. This engine oil meets or exceeds industry standards and manufacturer requirements, making it suitable for use in a wide range of diesel engines, including those used in trucks, buses, construction equipment, and agricultural machinery. It provides excellent protection against deposits, sludge, and varnish buildup, ensuring clean engine components and efficient operation. Delo 400 XLE 15W40 also offers strong resistance to high temperatures and shear stability, maintaining its viscosity and lubricating properties even in extreme operating environments. Its advanced additive package helps control oil thickening, reduces oil consumption, and improves fuel economy by minimizing friction within the engine. Packaged in a convenient 1-gallon container, this oil is easy to store and handle for routine maintenance. Overall, Delo 400 XLE Synblend 15W40 is a reliable, high-performance diesel engine oil choice for professionals seeking enhanced engine protection, longer oil drain intervals, and dependable performance in heavy-duty applications. Number 2. AC Delco DexosD 0W20 Oil Change Kit for Duramax Diesel LM2. The AC Delco DexosD 0W20 engine oil and oil filter change kit is specially designed for the 3.0L Duramax Diesel LM2 engine, providing a complete and reliable solution for routine oil maintenance. This kit includes high-quality DexosD certified 0W20 engine oil and a genuine AC Delco oil filter, ensuring optimal engine protection and performance. The 0W20 synthetic engine oil meets the latest industry standards and OEM specifications, formulated to deliver excellent cold start performance, superior fuel efficiency, and enhanced wear protection. Its low viscosity allows for faster oil circulation during cold starts, reducing engine wear, while its advanced additives help prevent sludge, deposits, and corrosion. This makes it ideal for modern diesel engines like the 3.0L Duramax LM2, which demand precise lubrication to maintain efficiency and longevity. Included in the kit is the AC Delco oil filter, engineered to provide superior filtration by trapping contaminants and protecting vital engine components. The filter's durable construction and optimized flow rate ensure consistent oil pressure and extended engine life. This comprehensive kit simplifies the maintenance process by providing everything needed for an oil and filter change, making it convenient for vehicle owners and service professionals alike. By using this kit, you maintain the engine's peak performance, improve fuel economy, and comply with manufacturer maintenance guidelines. Overall, the AC Delco DexosD 0W20 engine oil and oil filter change kit for the 3.0L Duramax Diesel LM2 is a dependable choice for maintaining your diesel engine's health, reliability, and efficiency. Number 3. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Full Synthetic Motor Oil 5W40 is a premium engine oil engineered to meet the demanding needs of modern turbocharged diesel engines, especially those found in heavy-duty trucks and commercial vehicles. This 5W40 full synthetic motor oil offers excellent all-weather performance, providing superior protection in both cold starts and high-temperature operating conditions. Formulated with advanced synthetic base oils and a robust additive package, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil delivers outstanding wear protection, helping to reduce engine wear and extend engine life even under severe driving conditions. Its excellent thermal and oxidation stability minimizes oil breakdown, which helps keep the engine cleaner by preventing sludge and deposit formation. The 5W40 viscosity grade ensures optimal lubrication across a wide temperature range, maintaining proper oil flow at low temperatures while providing strong film strength at high engine operating temperatures. This balance improves fuel economy and helps engines run more efficiently. Mobil 1 turbo diesel truck oil meets or exceeds key industry specifications and OEM approvals, making it compatible with most modern diesel engines, including those with turbochargers and exhaust after-treatment systems like diesel particulate filters, DPFs. Available in a convenient 1-gallon container, this full synthetic oil is ideal for professional mechanics and vehicle owners who want reliable, long-lasting engine protection. Overall, Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Full Synthetic 5W40 Oil is a trusted choice to keep diesel engines performing at their best, reducing maintenance costs and enhancing engine durability under tough conditions. Number 4. Schaeffer 9000 CK4-006S Diesel Engine Oil. Schaeffer Manufacturing Company. SynShield OTR Plus Full Synthetic Diesel Engine Oil 5W40 is a high-performance engine oil specifically formulated for heavy-duty diesel engines operating in on- and off-road conditions. This full synthetic oil provides superior protection and longevity, designed to meet the rigorous demands of modern diesel engines used in trucks, construction equipment, and agricultural machinery. With a 5W40 viscosity grade, SynShield OTR Plus ensures excellent cold start flow and robust high-temperature stability, helping to protect engine components in extreme temperature ranges. Its advanced synthetic base oils combined with a tailored additive package offer outstanding oxidation resistance, wear protection, and deposit control, resulting in cleaner engines and extended oil drain intervals. This oil is engineered to reduce engine wear by forming a strong lubricating film that minimizes metal-to-metal contact, which is critical for turbocharged and high-performance diesel engines. It also protects against sludge buildup, varnish, and corrosion, maintaining engine efficiency and reducing maintenance costs. SynShield OTR Plus meets or exceeds several industry and OEM specifications, ensuring compatibility with the latest diesel engine technologies, including exhaust after-treatment systems. Its formulation supports fuel economy improvements and reduces oil consumption under heavy load conditions. Available in a convenient 1-gallon bottle, this product is ideal for fleet operators and professionals seeking reliable, high-quality diesel engine oil. Overall, Schaeffer's SynShield OTR Plus 5W40 is a dependable choice to maximize engine performance, durability, and protection in demanding diesel applications. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Engine Oil. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Motor Oil is a top-tier, fully synthetic engine oil designed to provide exceptional protection and performance for diesel and gasoline engines in trucks, SUVs, and heavy-duty vehicles. Available in a convenient 3-pack of 1-gallon bottles, this oil is ideal for owners who demand reliable engine care and extended drain intervals. The 5W40 viscosity grade ensures excellent flow and lubrication at both low and high temperatures, promoting easy cold starts while maintaining robust oil film strength during intense operating conditions. Rotella T6's advanced synthetic formulation combines premium base oils with a cutting-edge additive package that delivers superior wear protection, oxidation stability, and deposit control, which helps keep engines cleaner and running smoothly for longer periods. This motor oil is engineered to meet or exceed critical industry standards and OEM requirements, including API CK4, SN, and others, making it suitable for use in a wide range of diesel engines, including those equipped with turbochargers and exhaust after-treatment systems such as diesel particulate filters, DPFs. Its formulation reduces oil breakdown and sludge formation, enhancing engine durability and reliability. Rotella T6 Full Synthetic Oil is also designed to improve fuel efficiency by minimizing friction and ensuring optimal engine performance under heavy loads or harsh conditions. Packaged in a convenient multi-pack, it offers excellent value for fleet operators and individual vehicle owners alike. Overall, Shell Rotella T65W40 is a trusted, high-performance synthetic motor oil that supports long engine life, reduces maintenance costs, and delivers peace of mind for demanding diesel and gasoline engine applications.